A Myanmar court has sentenced ousted leader Aung San Suu Kyi to 4 more years in prison. The charges include violating import and export law. Last month, Suu Kyi was sentenced to 4 years in prison for incitement against the military and breaching COVID-19 restrictions. Dusita Saukau has more.
Now, walkie-talkies seem relatively harmless, but not in a country like Myanmar where we saw the sentencing that was handed down today. So it was alleged that security forces found these illegal communications devices during a raid on Aung San Suu Kyi's home on the day of the military takeover that toppled her elected National League for Democracy government. But this adds to the sentence for the conviction, as you mentioned, in early December relating to the indictment and violation of the COVID-19 public health restrictions during the 2020 general election campaign. So in December, Aung San Suu Kyi received a 4-year sentence, but that was later reduced down to 2. But this adds to around a dozen cases that have been brought against her by the ruling generals. 6 of those cases are concerning alleged corruption. Now, there are reports that she could serve these sentences at her current place of detention, which is contrary to the standard practice of moving prisoners once they have been convicted. But it's become quite difficult for the media to obtain much information on these legal proceedings that have been brought against Aung San Suu Kyi because these court cases are held behind closed doors. The hearings are closed to the media. Usually information is obtained by her lawyers, who have now been muzzled for speaking to any members of the press. So it does remain to be seen if the sentence for the charges today will be lessened or reduced. It will also remain to be seen what repercussions this new verdict will bring to the chaos that we have been witnessing in Myanmar over the past year since the military takeover in early February.